my YouTube channel Kudoz Craze. As we all know that we all are thinking that how to decorate our house on this New Year Eve. So today I am going to tell you all that how can we make glitter sheet chains with glitter sheet. So let's get started. So Kudoz, you can make these chains in two different ways. So, I hope Kudoz, you liked these glitter chains. You can put them in this way or in this way. So, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel, and Happy New Year to all of you.